Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm really fine. How about you?
Okay, Alhamdulillah, I'm good. I have a question for you.
Yes.
And there are so many institutions, but why did you choose English fantasy?
Honestly, if I have to say, I didn't choose English fantasy. My mother chose it for me. Once she was scrolling through Facebook and found a video of Rajan sir with RJ Kibriya. And she was like, Labanu, you should do IELTS. I was like, no, I don't want to do it. And she was like, no, you have to. I saw Rajan sir and he's really good. I saw how he speaks. I really like how he speaks. So you should go to English fantasy.
Yeah, actually.
Sure.
Well, my next question is, how was the experience with English fantasy?
Well, with English fantasy, first when I came here first, I was like, why am I even here? They're teaching us what we have already learned from like class 6 or 7. Like I don't need it. Why am I even here? But after I came to like level 3, level 4, like oh, there's so many things I need to learn more. And also the teachers and the mentors. The mentors are like our second guardians, and also the teachers. They teach us like we are their childs. They always treat us like their childs and kids. So it was a pleasant experience in English fantasy.
Okay, thank you so much for deliver your speech.